What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today, got to move a little bit of snow so I can get the truck backed up under the auger because I'm gonna haul some corn. So, I'm not gonna talk too much right now, but I'll try to make hauling corn as entertaining as possible, if that's possible. But anyways, come on, bitches. Yeah, it's about 7 degrees right now, so we'll see how this goes. Not bad. Okay, let this thing warm up for a little bit, and then I will move the snow. And pushing snow. Well, technically pulling snow. Super entertaining, I know. Well, Trevor is an idiot and forgot to plug this frickin' tractor in, which is on the auger, and I almost guarantee it's not gonna start, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways. Frig it. Oh my Glanta. Oh boy, there's no way this is gonna start. Not even close. God dang it, dude. Why do I always forget that? Every damn time, I always forget. All right, got her plugged in. Now I'm gonna put the battery charger on her and give it a little bit, and then we'll be good to go. I guess I'll get the truck all squared away, get it started, warmed up, get it under the auger, and then hopefully this thing will start and we will be back on track, baby. Let's see if this bad girl's gonna start. It started. Sorry if you heard me yell at my frickin' dog. Oh, I just about ate shit right there too. Ah, everything is a cluster when it's snowy. What? All right, hopefully we don't get stuck trying to get turned around here. Ruh-roh. Come on now, baby. Son of a bitch. Well, I guess I have to get myself unstuck. Hooray. Hooray, hooray, we are moving. Thank G. Thank the big man upstairs. Yeah. Let's see what we look like. Oh, perfect. Expert semi-driver right here, baby. Hopefully the tarp will frickin' unroll. I spent probably an hour yesterday getting a foot of snow and about that thick of ice off the tarp, because it was full of corn since the last time I loaded it in one of the previous videos. It's just been a cluster. It's been a cluster of all fucks. Anyways, get the tarp unrolled, see if that tractor will start now, and maybe get it loaded up here before lunch. So let's see what happens. Parkour. All right. Give her a little nose candy, maybe. Turn this up to there. Come on, baby. Oh, there she goes. That's what I like to see. Thank God. Okay, next question here is going to be if it's froze up down in their area. Because that's really going to suck. So I guess we'll try it out. Please don't shear the bolts. Oh, frick yeah. Not even a problem, dude. Oh, okay. Should be good to go. Last thing that we have to worry about is if that is froze up underneath the unload of the bin, which I don't think it should be because I closed it and everything, but that'd be the last thing that would really throw me off. Play a little frisbee with this ice cream bucket cap. Cash, here. Go get it. Okay, looks like we are running. All things considered, with how shitty this weather is, it wasn't all that bad. Yesterday sucked, but I didn't record it because I was pissed off most of the day. Kind of a typical day, really. Loading. Slowly but surely. Well, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is the issue we run into sometimes. Something got caught up back under the bin somewhere, probably. So I gotta beat this deal back and forth until it breaks it loose. In theory, anyway. Okay, we finally got it. Holy shit. Alright, boys. Well, I kind of lied in that last clip. Thought I had it fixed, but apparently I didn't. So I kept beating on that thing. I guess there's just like a big chunk of corn ice over that center sump. So change of plans. Me and Logan here are gonna go get the skid steer from his dad's job site quick, get it back, give the horses a bail, and then I'll probably continue beating on that thing until it either breaks up or I'll have to get something to poke down in there with. I don't know yet, but anyways, that is the plan for now. Get off your phone, pussy. All right, we made it. He's got to go fix the road over there a little bit. I'm gonna hook the trailer up while he's doing that, and then we'll be heading back home.
No idea.
I'd rather not just fucking ramp it onto the trailer.
You're just a fucking professional, you don't have to look at the side, huh? So you're just a professional, you don't have to look where you're going.
All right, well, we're all chained up, strapped up. Maybe not OSHA approved, but it'll work. I meant to say DOT approved. Okay, made it back with the skid steer. Gonna unhook the bucket, put the forks on it or bale spear. Logan's gonna cut the nets off for me when we get over there. And then we'll start working on the bins again. And we're off to my mother's house.
It looks like Trevor's doing most of the work, but I'm doing most of it.
What?
I'm doing most of it by cutting it.
Oh, fuck off.
I have a lot more sympathy for Trevor now trying to do this with one hand.
I guess I should have recorded you doing it, probably. Whatever.
And it's stuck. You having a little trouble? The horses are not a fan of this. Holy shit.
I don't know if you guys could hear me. Oh, fuck. Fuck that up. I don't know if you guys could hear me before, but the throttle is frozen down, so there's not a lot of fine movements to be made. It's just all or nothing. Huh?
The background noise, the duck.
Yeah. Remember when you caught one of those when you were drunk? Okay, boys. Well, I just spent the last hour beating that trap open and closed. Still couldn't get anything to do anything. Oh, God. One of those days where you just think, why did I even decide to be a farmer, you know? Anyways, I guess we will either catch you in the next one or catch you in the morning. So, peace.